I am delighted to welcome all of you to the YMCA Giving Gala 2021. Through this Giving Gala, YMCA hopes to raise $350,000 for the YMCA Community Services Fund, or CSF. Since 1902, YMCA of Singapore has been uplifting the lives of those in need. The funds raised today will go a long way in helping to sustain a range of programs by YMCA, including vocational training and activities for individuals with special needs and youth at risk, as well as financial assistance for families in need. These programs help to build confidence, resilience, and independence through skills development and structured activities in areas such as performing arts and sports. Over the years, I have had the pleasure of meeting several young YMCA beneficiaries with special needs and seen the positive outcomes of the programs by YMCA in strengthening their holistic development. One such youth was Vince Tan, who has autism. He was among 10 climbers with special needs in the first ever YMCA inclusive climb to Mount Fuji, which served to develop his resilience and self-confidence. Multi-talented, Vince is also an artist, and his works were auctioned off to support the empowerment of his peers. Vince recently graduated from the YMCA Special Needs Hospitality Training Program and is now gainfully employed at the YMCA as a housekeeping attendant. Through YMCA's various training programs, many other youth with special needs like Vince will be able to build their confidence, self-esteem, and work towards independent living and inclusion in our society. I am also happy that the YMCA is committed to the mental health and well-being of our youth. This is an important issue and requires our immediate attention. It is heartening to see that the YMCA has taken this into consideration when innovating their existing youth programs. The Youth at Risk programs funded by CSF include a mental health assessment by Care Corner and mental wellness activities such as emotional regulation and mindfulness workshops. Through these programs, YMCA hopes to address the top stresses faced by youth, including relationships, adulting, and uncertainty about the future. Building a caring society requires efforts of everyone. We must remain cohesive as a community and leave no one behind. I encourage those of you who can to support such causes generously. Thank you.